In a chilling and high-stakes confrontation on the battlefield, Ukrainian First-Person View (FPV) drones have taken modern warfare to a terrifying new level. In a daring and precise operation near the Eastern Front, Ukrainian forces deployed dozens of FPV drones to relentlessly hunt down and eliminate a joint infantry unit made up of North Korean volunteers and Russian regulars. The mission was swift, shocking, and deadly. The drones did not just strike from above, they chased their human targets across the trenches and open fields, one by one. Ukrainian military officials revealed that this particular operation was conducted in the Donetsk region, where intelligence had reported the presence of North Korean soldiers embedded with Russian infantry. Equipped with real-time video feeds and explosive payloads, the FPV drones were controlled by elite drone operators who had trained specifically for manhunting missions. The results were nothing short of surgical devastation. One harrowing video clip released by Ukrainian sources shows a group of Russian and North Korean infantrymen scattering in panic after hearing the distinct buzzing sound of approaching drones. Within seconds, an FPV drone dives into a foxhole, detonating with brutal force. The dust hadn't even settled before another drone swooped in on a second group trying to flee into the woods. There was nowhere to hide. Eyewitnesses from the Ukrainian side monitoring the battle in real time described the pursuit as predator-like. The drones seemed to stalk their targets with chilling patience, hovering just behind fleeing soldiers before accelerating forward in their final kamikaze dive. Several North Korean fighters, unfamiliar with the drone warfare tactics dominating this war, were reportedly frozen in fear before being obliterated. Radio intercepts from the enemy side captured a wave of panic as commanders screamed orders for retreat, but it was too late. The Ukrainian drones were already in the air, hunting without mercy. "We are under attack from ghost machines," one North Korean soldier was heard shouting in intercepted communications moments before his signal went dead. Military analysts believe this may be the first direct confirmation of North Korean ground troops actively participating alongside Russian forces in Ukraine. While Russia has denied official coordination, the presence of uniformed DPRK fighters and multiple drone videos suggests otherwise. This revelation has triggered international concern over the growing axis of cooperation between Moscow and Pyongyang. The psychological impact of the attack is perhaps just as significant as the physical toll. Survivors from the Russian side have been seen abandoning trenches and fleeing toward rear positions, leaving weapons and comrades behind. The fear of the invisible eye in the sky has eroded morale to dangerous levels. Ukrainian drone teams, mostly composed of tech-savvy volunteers and military specialists, have perfected the art of FPV warfare. Using off-the-shelf components, they build lethal, low-cost kamikaze drones capable of navigating the battlefield with shocking agility and precision. This new phase of warfare has turned the tide in areas previously overwhelmed by Russian artillery superiority. Satellite imagery and battlefield footage confirm that the targeted infantry unit was wiped out almost entirely. Burned-out vehicles, charred remains, and cratered foxholes tell the story of a technologically dominant ambush. Ukrainian forces report 0 casualties on their side during the drone strike operation. International observers from NATO and the UN have called the footage both terrifying and a wake-up call for militaries around the world. The precision and cold efficiency of FPV drones suggest a future where low-cost autonomous weapons can overpower larger, less agile forces through psychological shock and constant surveillance. As the battlefront in Ukraine continues to evolve, FPV drones are now being called the new snipers of the sky. They require no rest, show no hesitation, and strike with deadly intent. For the enemies of Ukraine, it has become a battle not just for territory, but for survival against an enemy they cannot see or predict. This engagement, in particular, sends a strong message. Foreign mercenaries or volunteer forces supporting Russian aggression will be targeted just as decisively. The inclusion of North Korean fighters only intensifies the global stakes of this war, turning what was once a regional conflict into a proving ground for emerging international alliances and cutting-edge military tech. The Kremlin has remained tight-lipped about the loss of its infantry unit, refusing to confirm the presence of North Korean troops. However, leaked internal reports suggest growing frustration among Russian commanders over the effectiveness of Ukraine's drone warfare. Some reports even suggest the Russian military has begun issuing shoot-on-sight orders for any flying object, regardless of origin, leading to friendly fire incidents. Meanwhile, Ukrainian forces have hailed the mission as a landmark success, one that demonstrates the growing advantage of innovation over brute force. As Ukraine continues to fight for its sovereignty, it is clear that the battlefield belongs to those who can adapt, improvise, and strike from the shadows with unrelenting precision. With the world watching and new players entering the fray, this FPV drone strike may well be remembered as a pivotal moment, not just in Ukraine's war for survival, but in the dawn of a new era of combat where machines outthink men and drones decide fate.